Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video I am gonna tell you how to add a poll in YouTube. Before starting I am telling you that for this you should have to complete 1000 subscriber. After completing 1000 subscriber you can add a poll to your YouTube channel. When you complete 1000 subscriber, YouTube add a community tab to your YouTube channel. When you post or add a poll, so add it to this community tab. So please watch the video till end and also give a like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First of all, tap on plus button below and now tap on create a post. Now let's suppose here I am typing Harvey's TikTok. After that, tap on this option below and tap on add option. Let's suppose I am typing good and another option I am typing not good. You can also add a third one or more than 3 best. You can also add another option. After that, post this. Tap on post button. So this post will add to your community tab. You can view this here. Tap on view button. So it has been added to our community tab. So friends, you can also do this and add a poll to your YouTube channel, but keep remember that you should have to complete 1000 subscribers. So I hope you will like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.